have a broad face, you can just use it like this without the pin. But if you have a small face or a sleek face, then you can have this pin right here, right? So you can also do niqab with this. I'll just show you how you can do it. Right, so this you can bring like in a line parallel to your chin. So here we place one pin here. It depends on you if you want to show more of the black or you want to cover it with the printed. So you have it here. And then you can have niqab with this as well. Right, it's your choice. I'll just try and show you how it looks with the niqab. And this part here, it's a stitched part, so you can place it right here. We will be using this pin, which is called snap-free pin, right here. That's it. So this is the hoodie drapes with the niqab look. Let me show you from the back. Alright, this is the hoodie drapes by Hoodie Drapes. I hope you like it.